Good afternoon, ma'am. My assigned topic is all about the Philippine national symbol. So the criteria for the national heroes. Executive Order number 75, 1993. There are no laws or executive orders on proclamations of any personalities and heroes. In our national, it was in 1993 when President Fidel V. Ramos issued Executive Order number 75 in which created the National Heroes Committee. The aim of commission was to study, evaluate, and recommend Filipino national personage or bayani in the recognitions of their sterling character and remarkable achievement for the country, or NCAA. So based on this, so during sa termino ni Fidel V. Ramos, he issued order number 75 1993 in which siya mo ay nag-proclaim nga there is a National Heroes Proclamation. Then next, House Bill number 3926 also promotes other symbol like the city of the Manila and the national capital. The Malaman Palace is the national state of the government Filipino as the national language of the Filipinos. Bayan ko as the national song. Then makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Okay, that's it. Then now let's talk about our national dance. So according to the House Bill number 3926, Karinyosa is the Filipino folk dance. So meaning, so according to the bill house of 3926, in which referring to our national dance, which is called the Karinyosa. Muna siya ato ang as of now, muna siya ato ang national dance. Next, next is our national food. So what is our national food? So the Filipinos foodness of adobo have earned the title as the unofficial national food of the Philippines. So it referring to that our national food, it is not an official national food here in the Philippines. Another one is the national fruits. So the national fish, I mean. So the milkfish or bangos is widely popular in the Philippines. And in Asia, it is a type of fish that is flexible and capable of adapting to where they are raised. It is a popular table for among Filipinos and is prepared and cooked in a various ways. So meaning, so our Philippine fish until now is muna siya ginatawag og bangos. So mo gina siya no kanang bangos muna siya lami na siya nga pagkaon samot na og kanang lami siya paggaluto muna siya national fish muna siya bangos. Next is our national animals. So unsa man niya to ang national animals? So the Carabao or the water buffalo, or base known as the Calabao, is a gentle but hard-working type of animals. These animals are largely used by the farmers to pull fallows in the rice field. So the Carabao is our national animals, in which they can help farmers in a whole day, such as in doing in making a rice field. So the Carabaos is one of the animals that can help farmers to meaning to finish their work easier and earlier also. Next is our national houses. So what is our national houses? So our national houses is known as the Bahay Kubo or the Nipa, but it shall be recognized as the national house. It is based known for Filipinos as a crazy house or a shelter that is an form of a bamboo plant. So the Bahay Kubo is our national house, in which created due to the bamboo tree. Muna siya ito ang national house, in which nindot ni siya diri punduhan kay there is the fresh air that ang ato ang malanghap mo na siya ang ato ang national house, in which called the Bahay Kubo. Then another one is our national fruit. So unsa man ato ang national fruit? So anatomic, delicious and nutritious fruit, the mango is considered to be the national fruit of the Philippines. It has a lot of varieties like the mango Calabao, mango pico, and mango Indian, mango paho, and also the mango supin. So as already know that there are different names of the mangoes here in the Philippines. So gumikan sa kadaghan sa mga mango dinhi sa atuang society. So nailagid siya as our national fruit, which is the mango. Then daghan po siya og klase-klase in any different places. Next is our national leaf. So unsa man ato ang pambansang dahon? So the national leaf, the anahaw leaf, is a large type of leaf with around pound shape that is glossy and in green color. it is considered as a strong leaf wearing high heat from the sun as well as brutal rain and wind. Commonly used as a fan roof for the nipa hats and wrapping for fold. So it talks as our national leaf is the anahaw. So in Bisaya mo siya atuang pambansang dahon. Kuani siya kanang mo siya lapad din siya nga dahon in which makatabang sa atuang nga maka-prevent siya during the heat of the sun, and also if there is a strong wind or the rain. Okay. Alright. Next is our national sports. So nowadays, so ang atuang national sport from nowadays actually kuandi siya si patakraw, but according to the researchers or the according to the researchers, so our national sport, it is considered as one of the oldest form of martial arts. So meaning our national sport today is what we call arnis, in which mao na siya kanang bitang naa kay mga gipandalon nga mga silbi murag imuhang mga ipaan imuhang mga against your enemy, imuhang mga espada nimo para kuano siya in case of there is a kuano siya kanang basta mo na siya atuang national sports as of now. Kay before manggod ang giilang nga kuan national sport is si patakraw manggid siya, then but now according to the researchers, so they already proven that our national sports is what we call the arnis. Next is our national gin. So our national gin, it is known as the South Sea pearl, and it is considered as the oldest value of gin in the Philippines. So the Philippines is symbolically known as the pearl of the Orient seas mo na siya. Next is the national birds. So ginayon na siya ito ang pambansang ibon. So the national birds, so the Philippine eagle is the Philippine eagle that can be found in forest is in Davao. So makita niyo siya kasagara sa Davao, no? Davao region is considered to be the largest, strongest and most powerful eagle in the world. So ano siya, largest and strongest eagle in the world. So meaning the national our national bird today and before, so it is what we call the Philippine eagle. Muna siya katong it is the muna siya karang ibon na matibay at saka matatag. Muna siya ito ang tinatawag nga pambansang ibon or the Philippine bird in the Philippine bird lagi siya, national Philippine eagle. Next is our Philippine flower. So, syempre,
Pagita.
kung natay Philippine bird, so naabot tayo Philippine flowers, in which ginatawag na siya og the sampagita. The sampagita, or known as the Arabian, the sampagita, or known as the Arabian jasmine, is a white star shaped bloomstone which has a sweet fragrance. It is also best known for its national properties. Sampagita is used as a corsage or garland. So as you can see, our national flowers, the sampagita, so daghan siya magamit, no? Pwede siyang himoong decorations kay kuan man siya kanang nindot siya kana bitong gamiton as decorations of during the events. Next is our national tree. So unsa man niya tuwang national tree? So the Nara tree is identified as the national tree of the Philippines. This tree represent resilience. That wood of the tree is the favorite timber for the manufacturers of the Fortunaire. So mo na siya ang ginatawag na to of, or until now, mo na siya atuang pambansang kahoy, or our national tree, in which Nara tree mo na siya katong, which is kuha na siya kanang longest and then strong na siya nga kahoy, in which pwede ka dali mo pasilong nga kuan po siya, maka-receive ka og mga fresh air coming from the tree. Mo na siya. And then next is the national anthem. So syempre dili ginamawala ato ang national anthem, no? So until now ato na siyang gina-follow if there is an event, or even in the flag ceremony or in any ceremonies, dili gina siya mawala ang atuang national anthem, in which is called the Lopang Hinirang. So the Lopang Hinirang is official title of the national anthem. This anthem will always sung in the national language, written or without the country. So ano ni siya, ang atuang national anthem, in which Lopang Hinirang. So ang ga-compose ani sa lyrics mo ni siya si Julian Felipe, in which ang nagtahi sa flag mao ni si Marcela Agoncillo, which is before manggod siya wala siya lyrics, then wala pud siya kanang mura ra siya og kanang instrument ra siya, but later on Julian Felipe is created the lyrics, and also si Marcela Agoncillo, which is mao siya gatahe sa flag. Next is the following are the recognized official national symbols in the country according to the National Commissions for the Cultures and the Arts. Next is our national flag. The flag of the Philippines shall be blue, white, and red with an eight ray golden yellow sun and three five pointed stars. Ayan siya. Then in the Philippines, so the House of Congress, the Congress issued House Bill number 3926 3936 authored by Honorable Rene L. Relampagos, and with the help of the Department of the Education, so or the CHED, or the Commission of Higher Education, so the National Commissions for the Cultures and the Arts, or NCCA, and the National Historical Commissions of the Philippines, or NHCP. This bill serves as the basis of the declarations of the national symbols. Based this bill, the National Commissions for the Culture and the Arts identified the official and the non-official symbols in the Philippines. So, pinaagi aning bill, so naka-create sila og kanang official and also the non-official symbols here in the Philippines. And then actually I'm already done, so that is the end of my part, ma'am. So that's all, and good afternoon.